you guys how you can actually do the shopping carts trick with Overstock.com. Like I made the video before, but I want to show you guys like how I actually did it, like step by step. So first thing I want you guys to do is just to make sure that you're in the incognito window. Make sure that you're in incognito mode. So when you go into incognito mode, that's when they're not able to track you. But before you do any incognito mode or anything like that, I want you guys to do this right here. I want you guys to opt in. When I say opt in, I want you guys to go to factortrust.com and opt in. So let's go ahead and opt in. So go ahead and put opt in, click submit. Fill out your information, put your first name, your last name, social security number, put your date of birth, your address, city, state, and zip code, and your email address, and click confirm. Go ahead and put all that information in. And then the next thing I want you to do is make sure that you're allowing pop-ups. So if you want to allow pop-ups, I believe you just go to settings. I click find, and then I'll put pop-up. So I just put pop, and then I'll be seeing pop-ups right here. So I just click that. Then I go down to the bottom. Pop-ups are allowed. So make sure that they are allowed. This is blocked. This is allowed. They want you to block them because they don't want you to have pop-ups, but you need a pop-up because that's what they're going to go ahead and pre-approve you for the credit card with Overstock.com without checking your credit because it's going to be a pop-up. So now that we have that done, let's go ahead and do our new incognito window. So with the new incognito window, let's go to Overstock.com. Oh, I can't even spell it, you guys. So Overstock.com. Now we're on Overstock.com. Let's go ahead and find something that's between $200 and $300. So you see we already getting pop-ups, so that's really good. I don't want to go ahead and sign up for that. I want to go ahead and find some things that I can buy. So let's look right here in quilts. We got to find something here in quilts. Let's find something. It doesn't matter what it is. It just have to be between $200 and $300. So this is on sale for $74.98. So we can get 3 of these and that will put us where we need to be. So let's get 3 of those and add it to cart. Let's click checkout. Checkout as guest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of the information here that you have to put in so you can go ahead and do the shopping cart trick. Now, let me show you guys. I'm going to black out a lot of this stuff or white it out, so I don't want you guys to see the personal information, but let me go ahead and put it in. So So you see how I put in all of the information and now I just got the pop-up. So congratulations, you've been pre-approved for the Overstock credit card. So it's really that simple, you guys. And they said too, you'll earn the $30 welcome rewards. So I can spend if I do more than $300. But remember, if I gotta do more than $300, that means that you may approve me for more than, you know, the amount that's on there. So all you have to do is just go ahead and put your information in. Like put all your information in here. Go ahead and put all your information in, and then you should be able to get this same pop-up. And then just go ahead and click accept now. And then there you go. There go the credit card. Now remember, if you're my client, I really don't want you guys to spend more than 5% on any credit card. And even though you guys are doing this trick, when you get the credit card, you don't have to buy these items. Go ahead and fill out accept. Let them see the credit card. Cancel this out. Go ahead and just close out this whole screen. So like we can just cancel this now. So that's all I want you guys to do. Now that you got the pop-up, that's how you actually go ahead and do it. Make sure that you do factor trust because that's very, very important. And then make sure too that you are allowing pop-ups. If you don't allow pop-ups, then it's gonna be blocked. It's not gonna work. And remember too, it's like over 60 different credit cards that you guys can use to do the Overstock.com trick or to do anything on a shopping cart trick. It's more than 60 different credit cards you guys can use. So make sure you guys go ahead and check it out, and let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm definitely here for you guys, and I'll be able to show you different credit cards with the shopping cart trick. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.